What's up, guys? Biker Dave here with a really quick tip. If you ever have a need to maybe pull the clutch out of your bike or check a gasket or do anything that involves that there's still oil in the engine, but you'd rather not have to drain the oil to do all this, all you have to do is lean the bike on its side like this. You know, you can put the handlebar on a block or something on the far left there. And with the bike on its side, the oil will be further down in here so it won't come pouring out. And you don't have to bother with draining the oil to do whatever you need to do. Just a real quick one. That's very simple. This is also an excellent way to clean the bike after you've been riding. If you lay the bike on its side like this, make sure you turn the gas off, of course. But you are able to clean underneath much better than you would, with the bike sitting upright. Anyway, very simple. Just had to check a gasket real quick on this full rebuild on this boy. We got a full playlist on this bike, of some projects we did involving this YZ250. So check those out, as well as our tons of other videos on our channel. Biker Dave Horsepower House, Google us. We're all over the internet. And y'all have a good day. We'll see you.